Stacy Smiley here. I just received my box from, I believe, the Washi Tape Shop that I ordered. So I thought I'd share it with you guys. Let you see what I bought. This is my actual first order from them. So I'm kind of excited to see what I have in here as well. It's kind of weird the package came without any address from where it actually came from. Hence the reason why I say I'm thinking and hoping that's where it's from. And from the look of it, I think I was right. Some bubble wrap. Who doesn't love some bubble wrap? Sometimes I think this is even more fun than the item that came in the box. Ooh, look at these, all prettily wrapped. Alright, so let's see what I have. I have quite a few. Aww, Washi Tape Shop. And what is it? Oh yeah, I forgot I got just a little guy in here too. Alright, so let's take a look at these. I'll start with this little one first. I know I wanted lots of flowers, and I know butterflies are in here too. I think maybe dragonflies as well. I'll have to list the products below in the description for you of what I actually ordered, because I really don't remember off the top of my head. So this one's a floral one. Let's see. It's really pretty. It's just as pretty as it was in the picture online. That's exciting. And there's quite a bit here too, from the looks of it. And it's actually really thick compared to the washi I have from Amazon. The fun part is to find some sort of a storage for all this washi I'm starting to collect over here. So here, oh yeah, it gives a little sample on the top of the package. I figured this would be really cool for like journaling backgrounds. I like the antique stuff. Thought it would give the background more flair. Let's see, and these are wider. I was trying to look for something that wasn't scrapbook paper to add to my backgrounds, but the washi tape I thought being wider, that's really nice. I figured would work, and I grabbed the one that had the spaces between it in case I decided just to do little boxes worth instead of a full strip just up and down my page. I like that. I like that a lot. Oh, I'm so excited to start using these. This one is Pretty Flowers. Hopefully these match the colors I have on my Happy Planner. I feel like I'm unwrapping a gift with everyone. Alright. Oh, this one's got tape holding it down. That's different. Not sure what to do. Okay, I really feel like an idiot here. I just peel this off. Hopefully that's what I do and doesn't ruin the washi tape. Ooh, yay. Ooh, but that's really sticky now on this side. Ooh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. I like that. It's like golden flowers with really pale green leaves. Almost looks gray, but I think it's a really pale green. I got a map one. I think I was channeling my vacation that I just took to Europe when I picked this out. Thinking this would have been great for a layout for travel, even though I already did it. The layout, that is. But who's to say I won't go on another trip? Okay, this one doesn't look to have that same kind of piece of tape on it, so pull it out. Nice, I like this. Ooh, smell this fresh printed adhesive and sticker quality. You know, I don't really care for the smell of it. But I thought it was kind of funny to say. Ooh, that's a really pretty flower. I really like that. I like the blue. I think that's what triggered me to buy this one. I don't have a lot of blue on our stickers from Happy Planner, so I really like this. This is one really sticky sticker. That's really pretty. Oh, yes, I am definitely looking forward to scrapping with these. Now that, like I said, I really do hope I have some stickers I could put with them that look good. Or that match, for that matter. Ooh, another flower one. Okay, top to bottom. This one's really pretty too. Almost like a watercolory. Is it even a thing? Watery. Watery colory, yes. I'm just gonna make up words too while I'm at it. This one's the dragonfly. If you watch my videos, you know that I love butterflies, and this really was, I thought was really cute too. And it comes in the pastels, which I really like. This one actually is a little more peachy than pink. But I think it'll still really go good with all my pastel sticker sets. I like that. I'll save the big one for last. Ooh, there is my butterfly. Sorry about my desk. It is really squeaky. I really need to tighten the screws on it. Oh, I am in love with this butterfly. Oh my gosh. I could cut the butterflies out on here. I could use it as the washi tape. Oh yeah, so pretty. The last small one is another kind of like plants, and this one has a little, I don't know if you can see it or not, the shiny glitter, like, I don't want to say it's glittery, but metallic-y. And some of these look kind of bright too. This one is just more of a background plant. I thought would be good for any sort of background. And it's kind of like a, I don't want to say, like a real pale teal or maybe aqua. With a brownish red, almost bronzy looking background. And like I said, there's not really seeing metallic-y colors. It just looks like wet paint almost. Interesting. I thought those on the outside looked like metallic, but I guess not. And this is why we open it all the way to look at it. Alright, and now for the large pack. This one's showing a flower on the end. This is one of the bundles that I purchased. This should be all floral. Yeah, I was definitely in a blue mood when I picked these out. Not a blue, like down depressing mood, just blue color. I tend to go for pink and blues. Those seem to be my two favorite, and more of a, not necessarily like a light blue, but between regular blue or navy blue. So here are these. So we got two large, three larger and two thinner, smaller ones. Oh, whoops, pulled that one on the wrong way. Go this way then. I really like that. That's really pretty. This one looks more of a pink background with white yellowish flowers. A hint of, I don't know if that's blue or if that would be more of a purple. Guess I'd have to match it up and see. That's really pretty too. My guess is that it should have been part of the blue since these all seem to be dark blue, but it has more of a hint of purple to me. Let's go this side. I don't know. I don't seem to be picking these from the right side. There we go. Those are pretty. They almost look like they go this way. Really like this one a lot. Man, I've got a lot of rolls here. Didn't realize I bought so many. Guess when you got a deal that you find, then you kind of find yourself going a little overboard. These are really pretty too. I like that. I like it that it's a blue background with the yellow flowers on top. A little pop of blue on your page. These look like daisies, maybe? I think I went backwards. Nope, yeah, I did. Darn it. This is kind of a real pale green, maybe borderlining sage with the white daisies and some almost pinkish red, maybe more like a mauve leaf in the background. Ooh, fun. Well, I can't wait to share these with you on my layouts coming forward. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and ask below in the comments. If you like the video and you like the products, please click like And if you want to see more videos, go ahead and hit subscribe and you'll be notified. Let's see if I could put these off so you guys can see them real quick before I say goodbye. Will they all fit? That is the question. Because like I said, I bought quite a few here. All right, sweet. And then this one was this little guy. All right, guys, have a great day. Thanks for watching. And as always, keep on smiling.